Okay, hello. I'm glad you could open this and hopefully you will get your answers as to how to get to the Seesaw site and use it to be able to do all the activities you need to do. So as you can see, I have my computer up. I'm going to open up a new new tab. Let's see. Okay, here I have my computer. I'm going to open up a new tab. And I'm going to go in the browser and type in Seesaw, SEESAW.com, and then hit enter. Being Ozma has already done this, it should go right to this site. It should lead right into here. It says 2019 on the right, 2019-20 LIPS K. K is for kindergarten. Below that, it'll have journal, activity tab, an inbox tab, and a skills tab. Below that are the list of all the kids in this classroom. Oh, and there's Ozma right there, but she could see the names of all of her friends. To start, you want to go to activities, so click the activities tab. And today is April 24th. So if you look on the left side, you will see lots of activities and all of them have a date. Today is the 24th. That's what we're going to look for right here, 4/24. Happy Friday, 4/24. Who is that? This is one that she will want to do because today is the 24th of April. Now you could read what it says if you want here, or we can read it later too. It says, Happy Friday. The kindergarten teachers, Mrs. Laren, Mrs. Lips, Mrs. Munson, Mrs. Swenson, Ms. Balster, and Ms. Marshall are so proud of all the hard work you put into your learning this week. Have a great weekend. Click Add Response. Move the name of the picture that you think the name belongs to, and have fun. Click the green check mark to submit. The second slide will let you know how you did. Okay, that seems easy. So I'm going to add response. Click on that. I'm going to find my name. Oh, here's Ozma, but I'm going to go in as a sample student just to show you how. Oh, and then it comes up. Now, if you didn't get the directions reading beforehand, you could click up here on the top where it says View Instructions. It will give you the same screenshot of what we just read. But we've already read that, so I'm going to click that up. Now it says, Who is that? Try matching the picture to the correct teacher's name. Okay, I'm going to move my picture way over here because it's not needed. And there are the names of all the teachers. Oh, I know this one. That's Mrs. Lips. Oh, is that Mrs. Lips? Is this Miss Lips? Where is Mrs. Lips? Is this her? No, she doesn't have long brown hair. Let's see. I think this looks like Mrs. Lips, doesn't it? So I'm going to click it there. Now I'm going to look for another one. Mrs. Laren. Mrs. Laren. Which one would Mrs. Laren? So I can go and I can put all the names by the picture that I think it is, and if I don't know, I just make a good guess. When I am done, I'm going to click the green check mark over here. Okay? Now, and for other activities, you can click on the microphone and you can record yourself. I'm not going to do that. I just wanted to show you. You also can click on the T over here, which will give you a box that you can type into. Ozma. Click outside of that box and you can move it around. Okay, I'm going to take that away. You could take a picture. Click the picture here, and then you can take a picture. Take a photo, or you can upload it, and that's more for teachers, but you can take a photo. So then it will have a picture, cameras, and use. Oh, okay. It won't let me do it because I'm doing this screencast. But these are some tools that Ozma will need to use when she is doing her activities. So I'm pretty much done. Miss Laren, I think Miss Laren's over here. I don't know. Miss Laren, I'll put her over here. Miss Swenson, Miss Bolster, I don't know, Miss Marshall, Miss Munson. And then I'm going to click my green check mark. And then it goes back here and it goes into, you see it's on the tab of a journal. The journal means that's where it saves all the work that she does. So you can see the sample student. I did sample. I didn't do it under Asma's name, but sample student is right there. So then the teacher can go in and look and see what she has done. Then she'll go back to the activities. If there's another activity to do, it will be on here. Oh, look at, there's some more. There's Friday, April 24th. Morning meeting. So she can do the morning meeting and greet her class and see her classmates. Oh, here's another one. Science, Friday, 4/24. Oviparous animals true. Watch the video. Think about oviparous animals. I wonder what oviparous means. I bet it will tell me in the video. So these are all things that Asma can do. Reading, 4/24. She can click on that one as well. And then math, 4/24. And that is it. There's a math talk. Oh, there's kind of a lot, isn't there? Oh, that's enriched math. That one's not for Asma. Okay, so that is how you get to the site. That is how you can work within this site and then see her friends, see her teacher, and do her job. And then she's learning, and that's the most important thing. Okay, so I hope this makes sense. Any questions, any comments, please respond to the email. Otherwise, hopefully we'll see Asma online. Thank you.